So what we're trying to do is to get the generator to start without having to take this thing to a repair shop because they're expensive. And so we're checking things that we've looked up and things that we know to check, like the solenoid, the wires, things like that. Hopefully we can figure it out simply and it'll be a nice, easy setup, and it's just something goofy and simple to fix. That would be ideal, but you never know. So the people we bought this from, in order to make their lives easier, did this. So underneath the bed, they cut a hole. You can see him banging on stuff in here so that they could easily access this. You can see this. It's still got the insulation and all that on it. It's just a cutout. That way, if you need to access anything, you don't have to pull the whole thing out. Probably shouldn't do that, but I have a feeling this is probably not the only RV this has been done to. So right now he's testing electrical, the fuel pump.
See, it's not even telling the fuel pump to kick. Side of the solenoid. There's nothing sending power to the pump.
Okay, do we have a wire that's been messed up? What we got here? We've got, it doesn't look like anything's been eaten, so that's good.
No. Well, it's only 12 volts. Somewhere. There's 12 volts to the solenoid.
Right. So we know it's getting power.
Yeah.
But it's not transferring the power to it.
Solenoid bad.
That's one of the most, from what I've been able to find out, that's one of the more common things to replace regularly on these.
No matter what I do, it's not sending power through the solenoid. I don't even have the control voltage to the switch. I bet you that solenoid's bad.
Okay.
If it won't let power through the solenoid,
then it's not going to kick on to be able to...
It's not going to send anything through.
Right. Which would make sense.
So it's getting power back here. There's nothing coming through the solenoid when I press the start. It doesn't... It's like it's not letting anything through it to power anything else. That's definitely not going to pull the fuel.
Right. Picking up on you?
Nope. No, it's not getting nothing to the fuel pump.
Okay, so where are the connections from the solenoid to the fuel pump? Check that connection.
That goes onto inside here where I can't work or see anything because it's so tight. Down in here where it's all this stuff's, and I can't get behind this panel to check these switches back here. All right, I got an idea.
You got an idea?
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Okay. So what's your idea?
Checking the fuel pump. Fuel pump works.
Fuel pump works. Okay, well that's good.
Yeah, but we're not sending power to the fuel pump.
Which is the problem.
Well, yeah, if you want to start. So we're not getting power. We got power to the solenoid, got power out of the solenoid.
But it's not getting to the fuel pump.
Right.
Which means whatever the wire is that goes to the fuel pump is probably bad.
You can hear the fuel.
Yeah. I saw a spark.
So, fuel pump works.
That's good. We just don't have power to the fuel pump.
No. So if I could figure out
which wire it is, and trace it, I bet you it's that wire that's bad.
No, that's not going to be it. There's all this control voltage going on inside here.
Okay.
There is wires all over the place. So I got to figure out. I don't think 12 volts is going to blow anything, is it?
I don't know.
What do you think?
I'm right here, so don't kill me, okay? Okay. Do you hear the air?
Yeah.
Should it be sucking that much air?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
It's trying to start.
Okay.
Well.
Okay, so the generator...
The generator is not seized.
The generator is not seized, so that's good.
The solenoid, I'm going to hopefully get that model number.
Okay.
Start with the solenoid. How can you... I'm going to get this plug and that back plug out. We're going to replace the plug and the plug wires.
Okay.
The solenoid, and then go from there.
Okay. Well, hopefully that'll be simple fixes.
Yep. For Katusha is the exact same solenoid as the generator.
No way, really? The one for Katusha looks a lot older.
You think?
Okay.
So this is what he just replaced.